Every instrument had its own master craftsman, and inasmuch as Stradivarius is synonymous with the violin, Willie Taylor was the recognised master maker of the Uilleann pipes. Micheál Ó Riabhaigh, yours are a Taylor set, but I believe there's a particular history attached to these pipes.
Yes, they are a very historical set. A set back from the grave, if you like to put it that way. These were presented to me 2 years ago, and the story told to me by the gentleman that presented them to me was they were originally the property of Canon Goodman. He was a Protestant clergyman in Skibbereen and a lecturer, professor of Irish in Trinity College in Dublin. He was a very famous piper and a very famous music collector. Well, when he died, he wished that the pipes to be buried with him. And his old friend, Alderman Fair of Cork, had the wish carried out and decided after a few days, well, to go down and take up the pipes again. He said, well, considered that it was a pity that a fine set of pipes like this would be allowed rot in a grave. So he took them up, and they were lying in his house for about 6 to 7 years. And then I came by them, because when I was teaching the School of Music, the old man that was in the house at the time was worried as to what would happen to them, considering their historical interest. So he presented them to me.
No, the very fact that they are so old must undoubtedly make them very valuable.
Oh, they are. They are well over 130 years.
Oh, no, how much would they cost?
Well, it would be hard to put a price on those now, but if I were buying a set of Taylor pipes, that particular set, considering that the average price of a set of pipes today is about £75, well, I wouldn't have any hesitation, if I could afford it, to pay £250.